Hey guys, we're back in the garage here with Paleo Mark. Thanks, dude.
What's up, buddy?
Coming on out.
It's good to be back.
Are you shipping out at the end of the month or what?
Yeah.
Where you going?
That is the rumor. Somewhere.
Can't say.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna fill his belly as long as he's here, and we're gonna do so with a couple of simple ingredients thrown together in the next Paleo Express episode. What's it called?
It's pineapple chicken with a touch of broccoli.
Oh, a touch. It's gonna go quick, guys. It's super simple, so stick around. We'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm gonna have Mark man the pan. He's gonna start off by putting a little coconut oil in a preheated saute pan over there. While he's doing that, I'm hacking into this onion like that. And then I've got like half, 2/3 of a red bell pepper left over from our Asian chicken salad. A little angle on this one, make it look nice. Then take out the few center ones and cut them in half so they match the end ones. Ready for a little color, bud? And then on the broccoli for these, I want them to cook at the same rate as the other stuff, so I'm gonna cut it up nice and small. And then what do we do with the stems here? You can cut those up too. There, what do you think, Mark? Looking good so far?
Looking great, nice and colorful. Just gotta get that chicken on there.
You want to take this here, open that up, and squirt it in there? What is it? Can you tell us what that is?
It's gluten-free soy sauce.
Homemade hot chicken. Boom. Alright. How about if you drizzle a little bit of that sesame oil in there? I'm going to go for a little different cut. We're going to try to do like an Asian bias cut on the pineapple this time. Go 2 at a time. Long and slender. We're just gonna get it in there for a minute right at the end to kind of warm up instead of cooking it down. Let's get some heat going. Balance that sweet. The pineapple, what do you think about that?
That looks good.
Good. Should we grab a little taste? See if our broccoli's where we want it? Grab it, try it out. Is that gonna do the trick? Not overcooked, a little crunch to it, nice and green. Cut the heat, toss. We got a little plate right over here. So there we have it, guys. That's our pineapple chicken with broccoli.
It's not bad for a couple boys from Minnesota.
Oh, sick. And you guys, it's the kind of food that can take you from being sickly to moving large loads long distances quickly. Mark and I here just doing what we can to help you keep it paleo.